Talk to me when we talk to me.
It doesn't matter. Whoever wants to do.
Hello.
You want to?
I want.
Hello? I'd like to place an order.
For pickup or delivery?
Pick up?
Alright, just a second, please. Do you have your phone number, the area code?
If you hold on a second. I'm sorry, I'm searching. I'm really bad at my phone. I'm so sorry. Hold on a second.
Okay.
Area code 225.
978
978
038
038
0732.
0732.
And this is for pickup, is that correct?
Yes.
Alright, and your name?
Jerome Bettis.
Alright, what would you like?
I would like, hold on a second.
Hey man, they got cat, man.
Question, do you have cat?
I'm sorry, what was that?
Do you have beef like beef fried rice like with cat? Is that like that the kind that you guys sell?
Beef fried rice with a cat?
Yeah, like no, it's like isn't it made out of
Hey, let me ask him, man.
Hold on a second,
They-
the
hold on.
person that wants what they're telling me is gonna talk to you.
Man, hello?
Yes.
Hey, how you doing, girl? Oh, that's cool, man. Like, I just got some friends, man. They telling me that, like, China Garden be having, like, cat in they food, man. Like,
Cat, like the animal cat?
no, like, roof, like.
I don't know what you're trying to say.
Nah, I'm saying, man, like, I know, like, there's a rumor that a lot of the China Gardens, be having, like, you got, like, regular beef, right? And you got, like, the steak meat, and then you
No,
got...
all our meat is grilled. 100% beef. That's funny because I never heard that before.
Ah, so you do have cat, though, right?
I don't even know what that is. Like the animal cat?
Like, rough cat. Like, I'm not trying to be like a butt or anything. I'm trying to think of
I
it
don't know what
easy.
you're trying to say.
Alright, listen, like, you got your different types of beef and meats, right?
We have chicken, we have shrimp, and we have beef.
Pork? Is that what cat is?
I don't know what cat is.
Hold on, so you telling me I'm really
If I can take order, I'm not going to answer this question.
I am-
Need an order.
hold on, I am trying to get an order. Don't raise your
Don't talk to me like that.
Whoa, excuse you? Cause I can slap somebody through the damn phone.
Oh my god.
She started laughing too.
That girl sounded like she was in high school. You seriously threw her bird.
I don't even know.